Cold hammer forging isn't marketing talk. It's the same process the U.S. military required for its Mk-23 program, which mandated 30,000 rounds fired before accuracy could drop. It's why manufacturers like Glock, H&K, and FN can offer barrels rated for six-figure round counts without a single crack. This process, developed for machine gun barrels that survive continuous automatic fire, packs steel so densely that wear happens in millimeters, not fractures. Today, we're counting down 9 pistols built this way, guns you should never sell. Number 9. Heckler and Koch USP. This legendary German powerhouse practically set the modern standard for durability. Back in the early 1990s, engineers wanted something that could survive the absolute worst conditions on Earth. They turned to the cold hammer forging process to create a polygonal rifled barrel. Unlike traditional cut grooves, polygonal rifling looks like rolling hills inside the bore. This creates a tighter gas seal around the bullet. It means you get a bit more velocity, and carbon buildup has fewer sharp corners to hide in. Cleaning it is incredibly easy, and the wear on the steel is spread out over a much larger surface area. Military testers put this design through absolute hell. We are talking about freezing it and burying it in mud. They even fired a bullet with another bullet intentionally lodged in the barrel. The barrel simply bulged slightly and the gun kept firing accurately. You can easily push one of these past 100,000 rounds with just basic spring replacements and maybe swapping out an extractor claw here and there. If you have one sitting in your safe, keep it forever because the current market values these highly and the barrel will never quit on you. Number 8. Glock 19. The Austrian staple of law enforcement and civilian carry is famous for being utterly boring in the best way possible. It just works. A huge part of that reliability comes directly from how the factory shapes the steel. Every single barrel gets pounded by a massive hammer forging machine until the internal structure of the metal is incredibly tight and uniform. Just like the German models, these use a polygonal style of rifling. There are countless reports from high-volume shooting ranges where these specific barrels have seen well over 150,000 rounds. At that point, the outside of the slide looks like it was dragged behind a truck on a gravel road, but the inside of the barrel is still shiny and hitting targets. The surface treatment applied for the forging process makes the steel highly resistant to rust and corrosion, meaning sweat from daily carry will not ruin the finish. You can drop it in a puddle, leave it there for a week, wipe it off, and go right back to the range without a single malfunction. That kind of lifespan means your initial investment pays for itself 10 times over in pure shooting value. Number 7. FN 509. The company behind this tactical striker-fired pistol knows exactly how to handle heat and friction. They have a long history of making heavy machine guns for the military, like the M249 SAW. When a machine gun fires hundreds of rounds a minute, the barrel gets hot enough to glow. They took that exact same barrel steel and the exact same cold hammer forging process and scaled it down for a handheld weapon. The result is a piece of steel that simply refuses to wear out. The chamber and the feed ramp are polished perfectly, meaning it feeds hollow points and cheap target ammo without any hesitation. Because the steel is so dense from the forging impacts, the heat from rapid fire dissipates much faster than in a cheaper, button-rifled barrel. The military testing for this platform required massive round counts without any drop in accuracy. Some shooters have tried to shoot the rifling out of these by running thousands of rounds back to back, and the barrel just laughs it off. You could probably melt the polymer frame before you could permanently damage the metal structure of the bore. Number 6. CZ75B. This all-metal classic from the Czech Republic is often praised for its amazing ergonomics and smooth trigger, but the heart of its performance is the incredibly tough steel tube sitting inside the slide. The factory has been perfecting its metalwork for decades, using giant rotary hammers to shape every barrel perfectly. This method aligns the grain structure of the steel, making it vastly stronger than metal that is simply cut on a lathe. Competitive shooters all over the world run these hard every single week. It is completely normal for a competition gun to see 20,000 rounds in a single year of training and matches. Even at that intense pace, the barrels maintain match-grade accuracy for years on end. The weight of the steel frame absorbs the recoil, and the forged bore ensures the bullet flies true every single time. It is a masterpiece of old-school design meeting brutal, industrial manufacturing strength. It feels like a custom race gun right out of the factory box, and the barrel longevity is a massive reason why. Number 5. Walther PDP. Modern duty weapons need to be optics-ready, grippy, and relentless. This German-engineered option hits all those marks, and it hides a deeply impressive barrel under its aggressive slide serrations. They use a stepped chamber design along with their hammer-forged rifling. The stepped chamber acts almost like a funnel, guiding the brass casing perfectly into place while keeping the expanding gases trapped directly behind the bullet. This means you get a very efficient powder burn and a slight boost in your bullet velocity. More importantly, the brutal forging process leaves a glass-smooth finish inside the bore. This prevents copper and lead from building up in the grooves. A cleaner barrel means less friction, and less friction means a vastly longer lifespan. You can run dirty, cheap steel-cased ammo through this all day long. The extractor might work a little harder, but the barrel itself will outlast any ammunition budget you could possibly have. It is an amazing feeling to know your sidearm can handle the absolute worst ammunition on the shelf and still put holes exactly where you want them. If you're enjoying this breakdown of indestructible firearms, make sure you hit subscribe to Guns You Can't Live Without so you never miss our next upload. Number 4. Beretta APX. When the Italian giant decided to enter the polymer striker-fired market, they did not cut any corners on the internal components. They are one of the oldest firearms companies on the planet, and they know exactly how to make steel last across generations. The barrel inside this futuristic-looking handgun is cold hammer forged and built to take incredible abuse. During the testing phase for military contracts, this design had to survive multiple drops onto solid concrete, exposure to salt fog, and thousands upon thousands of rounds without any cleaning. The density of the forged barrel meant that even when grit and sand got inside the chamber, the steel did not score or scratch easily. Users report that the lockup between the barrel and the slide stays incredibly tight even after 50,000 rounds. A tight lockup is exactly what keeps a gun accurate over its lifespan. Selling this would be a huge mistake because it is built like an absolute tank and the price tag makes it a hidden gem on the market. Most people trade them in for something more expensive, not realizing they gave away a barrel that could have lasted them a lifetime of heavy range days. Number 3. Steyr L9 A2. This futuristic Austrian option often gets overlooked, but it is hiding some of the best engineering in the entire industry. The company has a massive background in making sniper rifles and military arms, and their hammer forging process is legendary in Europe. The barrel on this specific handgun features a fully supported chamber. This means the steel wraps completely around the base of the cartridge. When you combine a fully supported chamber with cold hammer forged density, you get a gun that can handle extremely high pressure ammunition without breaking a sweat. If you like shooting +P defensive loads, this barrel will shrug off the extra pressure like it is nothing. The unique trapezoidal sights grab your attention, but the true value is the metalwork you cannot easily see. It has a remarkably low bore axis, meaning the barrel sits very low in your hand. This reduces muzzle flip drastically. It is a brilliant piece of machinery that will easily join the 100,000 round club if you keep it fed and oiled properly. You can take it to intensive training courses where you are shooting 1,000 rounds in a single weekend, and it does not experience the accuracy degradation that cheaper, mass-produced barrels suffer from. Number 2. Heckler and Koch Mark 23. If there was ever a handgun that could be classified as an offensive weapon rather than a defensive one, this absolute monster is it. It was built specifically for United States Special Operations Command, and the testing requirements were completely insane. The military demanded a barrel that could fire 30,000 rounds of high-pressure 45 caliber ammunition without any significant drop in accuracy. The engineers used their signature cold hammer forged polygonal rifling, and they paired it with an O-ring system near the muzzle to keep the lockup tight. During testing, they purposely drove a bullet into the bore and then fired another live round right behind it. The barrel cleared itself and kept shooting accurate groups. That level of strength is almost impossible to comprehend. While it is massive and heavy, it is perhaps the most durable sidearm ever created by human hands. If you are lucky enough to own one, hold on to it tightly. It is a true piece of living military history that you can never truly wear out, no matter how hard you try. Number 1. FNX 45 Special. Combining heavy firepower with massive capacity is what this big bore beast does best. It holds 15 rounds of 45 caliber ammunition, and it is fully equipped to host a suppressor and a red dot sight right out of the box. Just like their smaller 9mm offerings, the manufacturer used their heavy machine gun pedigree to forge this barrel. Shooting suppressed creates a lot of extra back pressure and heat. That extra heat can break down weaker metals very quickly. But because this barrel was literally beaten into shape by rotary hammers, the grain structure of the stainless steel can easily handle the intense temperatures of suppressed rapid fire. The threading on the end of the barrel is cut with extreme precision, ensuring your silencer stays aligned to private baffle strikes. Shooters who run this platform hard consistently praise how smooth the action feels even when the gun is caked in thick carbon buildup. It is an expensive investment up front, but considering the barrel will easily outlive the person pulling the trigger, it is worth every single penny. You're getting a heavy-duty tool designed for the harshest environments. Subscribe to Guns You Can't Live Without for more indestructible gear breakdowns.